Good morning, Pebbles. Hi. Good morning. Hi. You want to cuddle? Hi, good morning.
Thank you. I love you too. Oh my gosh.
Okay, give me love again.
Can Kyla leave?
Kyla's got to go off to college today, buddy. You got to get off of her.
Kyla's got to go bye-bye.
She's got to leave. Are you sad? You got to get up. She's got to leave. Simba, she's got to leave.
Who is the goofiest? Who sheds the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh no.
Here's a story. Get over here and listen. Are you listening? Today we're going to go to the beach. We're going to get a little bit of chicken. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Are you a lesbian? Aw, I'm so proud of you.
Luna, stop. Luna, stop it. What?
I love you.
So, Crackhead Kitty has a baby. She brought us her baby.
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
How are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hey. Can all the kitties in the club say meow? You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be tip-top shape and tapping toes and fly. You're gonna act awesome and self-assured. We're gonna seem contemplative, nonchalant, and bored.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop, come on. Stop. Where's Bongo? Bongo. Hey, hey, come inside. Roscoe. Get inside.
Stay. Leave it. You wait. Wait. She's dribbling.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo-doo-doo, scoo-doo-doo-doo.